This is just the start! One more time! Freedom! 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 Today, untouched, unmolested, left alone. So, listen, regardless, shut up. Why are you necking? Alright, go away. Off you pop. Bye bye. 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 Alright. Bye. Who are you? Who are you? Listen. Listen. At the end of the day, we're no better than anybody else if we're calling hate on people that have done nothing but support us. No different. No different. They've supported us, they've been helpful with me, conversing with me back and forth, and here we are, spreading our truth, united, and they stood there, showing an example to London and Liverpool, serving the people.
Greater than me, right? You're far greater than me. You're far as a whole, I mean. As a whole. I don't tell you anything, you people already know. Collectively, you're very powerful. Remember that. And they're scared of that. These psychopaths, these narcissists in the House of Commons, the House of Common people, they're scared of that.
So, everyone's getting a little bit cold now, so I'm going to finish with something, and unlike our previous speakers that were amazing, by the way, I'm not going to say I'm going to finish and then rattle on for 15 minutes. Please, this is the last thing, and it's my friend Jessica, who's nervous as hell, okay? You will all give her a warm welcome, I know. She's going to sing for us when we've finished, as part of the agreement, as I respected with the police. Once we're done, we'll go about our day, do whatever we're going to do. We've got our message out there. We will be gathering again. We will be bigger in numbers. And we are going to infiltrate government and select leaders that truly represent the people. Please give a round welcome to Jess, who's going to sing for us. Beautiful voice. She's so scared, so please give her a warm welcome. And once we've done, please, I'll be done there. I'm not going to get on the microphone again. We're going to be done. Thank you, everybody, for coming. This is just the start. One more time. Freedom! 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 Freedom!
Sticks and stones, they may break these bones, but then
Okay. Thank you for all the speakers. Thank you for everybody turning up. Like I said, this is just the start. This is just the start. There's a walk, a gathering here Saturday next week, Manchester, with Manchester Stand Up, 1 o'clock. I'll be here. It's the North Unites, the North Unites movement, Saturday, 1 o'clock here. I'll be here. It's not it's all of ours. All ours. Every movement, turn up. Every truth, spread it. Raise your voice. Jess just gave a great example. It's now time for people to move out of fear. Move out of fear of being ridiculed. Move out of fear of what your friends might say. That you might lose friends. That your family might disown you. It's time every single one of us starts standing up against this totalitarian dictatorship. As one, rise up! Thank you, Manchester! See you soon! Now go on!
Beautiful.